Welcome to the Cleanster app. Here's how to create a cleaning checklist. Begin by clicking the Checklist tab at the bottom of the app. Then, navigate to the Create a Checklist option. You'll be prompted to enter a checklist name before proceeding next. Now, tap the plus icon to add a room. Give this room a name. Then click Add this room. Now, add tasks or ask a question for this room by clicking the plus icon. Describe your task and select Add once you're done. For visual aid, toggle the Request Photos from Cleaner button. You can also upload images to enrich your checklist. Repeat this process for any remaining tasks, and then click the back arrow to return to your checklist. Add any remaining rooms and repeat the previous steps until your checklist is complete. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit cleanster.com.